Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 3D animation not working on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's get started. So you might be looking to set maybe a photo or video with 3D animation. The first thing you need to know is that your phone has to be compatible in order to do this. So the phones that are compatible is iPhone 12 or newer. The iPhone 11 series, although can get iOS 26, does not have that feature. Now the next thing is you need to pick a photo basically that can actually do this. Usually a selfie or a centerpiece like this will give you the best option to do it. And you want to try to take it with your phone after you update to iOS 26. For example, I have a photo here. If, for example, here, I try to make this into a wallpaper. However, I don't have the option here. This one just isn't working. So I have to pick another photo. For example, I'll pick a photo like this one. And then I'll click on right here, use a wallpaper. And right here, you'll see an icon that allows you to do that 3D animation for the spatial effect. So if I tap on it, it's going to automatically generate the scene. And that will give it that 3D effect, as you can see here. So this is the icon you're going to look out for. And keep in mind, if you don't see it, you can switch. You can also adjust the photo accordingly. Let's say I want to move it, and then make sure you tap that, hit add, and then once you do that, it will go ahead and set as pair. And as you can see here, I have now a 3D animation screen. So again, to keep in mind, you need iPhone 12 or newer on iOS 26, and also need a photo that's compatible that can actually do this. Not all photos can do it, so if you can get a photo to do it, it means it just isn't the type. So you're going to retry. For example, if I do it with this photo, again, because of the ratio of that photo, I don't have that feature. So I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.